Good afternoon guys, it's Sarah from Hills. I'm here today to show you this absolutely immaculately presented 2-bedroom semi-detached property. We're located over on Cypress Road, which is perfectly positioned between both Monton and Worsley Village. And as you can see, it's beautifully done, having undergone a full renovation in the last 2 years. So we've just come in the entrance hall into this beautifully done spacious lounge, nice and bright with that large window just behind me, and then the property seamlessly flows into this beautiful fitted kitchen and dining space. So it comes complete. You've got integrated appliances, a fridge, freezer, washing machine, excellent storage just tucked away beneath the stairs here, and then your breakfast area. All newly installed, fully plastered, rewired, and then out onto this fantastic sun-drenched rear garden. So you've got the block paved patio, fabulous lawn, and then the raised decked seating area to the rear. Obviously the sun is hiding at the moment, however you will get the sun throughout the day over in the back garden. You've got your blocked paved drive to the front, which will easily accommodate 2 cars. And then as we head up to the first floor, once again beautifully done 3-piece bathroom suite, 2 fabulous sized double bedrooms, shower sat above the tub, just hidden behind the frosted screen there, and then your vanity unit for additional storage. Bedroom 2, which again overlooks that fabulous rear garden. You can really see the size of it out here. Plenty of space to put furnishings alongside a double bed. And then on through to this beautiful master bedroom. Nice and bright with the 2 windows. Fantastic space, all of that space around the double bed there. Nice large wardrobes as well, so obviously if they were taken out, you can really appreciate the size of this room. And as I mentioned, we are sandwiched here between both Monton and Worsley Villages, whereby you'll find excellent amenities all on your doorstep. So you've got shops, bars, restaurants, or just a short walk from where you are. But you are also well served with public transport as well as fabulous motorway links. It's a perfect first time purchase for somebody to just come in and unpack their bag, not a single thing for them to do. So if you're interested in booking your viewing, please give the office a call on 0161 707 4900.